In this Raider Opus tutorial, I'm going to show you how to perform a search for multiple word groups in one single search. So for example, let's say you're working with a patient and this is a case that is centered around a lot of fear. So you want to search for multiple rubrics that involve fear at the same time. So let's say you want to find a rubric that maybe has the word fear with the word dog, or you want to find a rubric that has the word fear with the word ghost, or you want to find a rubric that has the word fear with the word dark. So it's really cool. We can do this in Raider Opus, and I'm going to show you how. So what you can do is you can search the repertory and all of the materia medica for that matter in one swoop. All you need to do is put all of the words in the same grouping. So let's say fear, dark, in parentheses, fear, ghost, in parentheses, fear, dogs, in parentheses, and separate each of those with a vertical bar. Okay, we're going to go through and we're going to do it right now. So in order to do this in Raider Opus, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up our search area. We do that by simply clicking on the search button. And here we have our search area appearing. Now again, what's the recipe? We put our same terms or similar terms that we want to be in our search in parentheses. And then we divide our group terms by a vertical bar. So let's start with fear of the dark. See how I put that in parentheses? Fear and dark. And now let's go to our next grouping. We want to do fear. Oop, I forgot my parentheses. Look at that. We do fear, how about of ghosts? And then we want to do, what was our last one? Fear of dogs. Fear dog. So I've got each of my terms that I want to search. So this is looking for fear and dark, or fear and ghost, or fear and dog. Now I'm going to go ahead and enter. And right now it's going to be searching all of the repertories, all of the materia medica for fear and dark, or fear and ghost, or fear and dog. So look at this right here. Right here we've got the first repertory pulled up is Bianchi. And Bianchi we've got Mind Fear Darkness, Mind Fear Dark, Mind Fear Dogs, Mind Fear Ghosts. So we're looking in all these repertories, all the materia medica for this or that. You can do that with any assortment of terms. The recipe that you need to follow is group terms in parentheses and separate your group terms by a vertical bar. And also, if you're curious, because I wasn't sure what to call this, I ended up Googling to find out exactly what the symbol is called, and it's called a pipe. So, fun fact, trivia of the day, you can tell all your friends that you know what the proper term for that is right there, that vertical bar, and it is known as a pipe in computer language. Alrighty, hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Have a wonderful day.